Hey y'all, it's story time. Let me tell y'all what happened to me. So this customer called me, and for the sake of his privacy, let's just call him Ted. Alice, I need your help. I know you need a notice to make a cake, but my wife's birthday's in 3 days. I immediately said, I'm sorry, Ted. There's no way I'm booked. Alice, please, my wife loves your cakes. So to make a long story short, I, for some reason, was just compelled to make this cake for him. So I agreed to make it. While I was taking his information, I asked him what type of cake he wanted. He told me to make any cake I want and to just make it girly because his wife loves all the bells and whistles that come with being a woman. She's very bougie, he said. We both laughed. I said, okay. So the day came for me to deliver the cake. Ted came out. He looked at the cake and literally screamed, Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? He yelled. Are you kidding me, Alice? I'm looking like, he said, I love this cake. Alice, you did a great job. She is going to love this cake. You have no idea how much this cake means to us. I said, thank you so much. I'm so glad you love your cake. Thank you for choosing It's a Cake, etc., etc. Then he said, Alice, if it's okay with you, I want to send you a picture of something after my wife's birthday party tonight. I slowly, but with concern, said, okay, Ted, that's fine. So around 7 o'clock that night, Ted sent me a picture that blew my mind. And attached to the picture, he said, I told you to make whatever cake you wanted. And all the cakes you could have made, you made this particular cake. This is the gift I gave my wife for her birthday. Not only for her birthday, but for 10 months of being cancer free. This cake was our confirmation that everything was going to be all right. I was emotionally moved by his story, and it also made me realize that God can send a message, even through a cake.